Did you know that 70% of beginner investors lose money in their first year? But here's the good news. You don't have to be one of them. Welcome to Finmark Daily, your daily dose of tips to grow your wealth and master your online presence. No fluff, just straight to the point advice with faceless videos. Today, we're kicking things off with the top 5 investment strategies for beginners in 2025. Whether you've got $100 or $10,000 to start, these strategies will help you build a strong financial foundation. Stick around. You're about to learn something that could change your money game forever. Let's start with dollar cost averaging. This strategy is like setting your investments on cruise control. Instead of stressing about when to buy, hoping the market's low, you invest a fixed amount regularly, like $50 every month. When prices are high, you buy fewer shares. When they're low, you buy more. Over time, this smooths out the ups and downs of the market. For example, if you invest $50 monthly in a stock, you might buy 5 shares at $10 one month and 10 shares at $5 the next. It's a beginner-friendly way to build wealth without playing the guessing game. Next up is diversification. Picture this. You put all your money into one stock and it crashes. Ouch, that's like betting everything on one horse. Diversification spreads your money across different assets, stocks, bonds, maybe even some real estate or crypto. If one takes a hit, the others can cushion the blow. For instance, if tech stocks drop but your bonds are steady, you're still in the game. It's your safety net for smart investing. Number 3 is index fund investing, a total game changer for beginners. Index funds track a big market index like the S&P 500, which includes hundreds of top companies. You're not betting on one stock. You're investing in a slice of the whole market. They're low cost, easy to start with, and studies show they often beat fancy managed funds. Imagine planting a seed that grows with the economy. Low effort, big rewards. Strategy 4 is dividend investing. Want your money to work for you while you sleep? Buy stocks in companies that pay dividends, regular cash payouts to shareholders. For example, if you own shares in a company paying a $1 dividend per share annually, 100 shares means $100 in your pocket each year. It's like planting a money tree that drops coins every few months. Start small, reinvest those dividends, and watch it grow. Finally, we've got robo-advisors. If you're thinking, I don't have time to manage all this one's for you. Robo-advisors are AI-powered platforms that build and manage a portfolio based on your goals, like saving for a house and how much risk you're cool with. You just deposit money and they handle the rest. It's like having a financial guru in your phone minus the big fees. Perfect for busy beginners. Hey, before we say goodbye, I just need to take a moment to speak from my heart. Making these videos, it's not just something I do. It's who I am. Every single one is a piece of me, poured out with love, sweat, and a burning desire to share something that can light up your life. But here's the truth. You're the heartbeat of this journey. When you hit that like button or subscribe, it's so much more than a simple action. It's a spark that sets my passion ablaze, pushing me to dive even deeper, to create more, to dream bigger, all because I know you're right there with me. Your support doesn't just keep this channel going. It fuels my soul to keep showing up day after day with fresh ideas and energy just for you. So please, if this video touched you, inspired you, or even just made you smile, hit that like and subscribe. It's a small gesture that fills my world with purpose and keeps this fire burning bright. Oh, and don't miss out. Tap that bell, because tomorrow I'm sharing something incredible, and I'd hate for you to miss it. Thank you truly for being here. Together, we're building something unstoppable.